Here's how to sign up for Amazon Prime Student with an existing account. There's actually a special landing page for this. I'll leave a link in the description down below. It'll take you to here. So if you have Amazon Prime already, or if you don't have Amazon Prime, you just have an Amazon account, this landing page works for both of you. Specifically, if you have a Prime membership already, you'll see this. Already a Prime member, see if you qualify. You can click this yellow button, check eligibility, and it takes you to this page where you can sign up for Amazon Prime Student, which is actually called Amazon Prime for young adults now because you can be a student, but you can also just be between 18 and 24 years old, and you can get this discounted rate. If you have an Amazon account, but you don't have Prime yet, then you actually will see a landing page like this, slightly different, but not much, where it just says join Prime, and you get a 6-month free trial of Amazon Prime. And then it's half off after that. You also get 5% cash back with Amazon Prime Student or Amazon Prime for young adults, and then all the other Prime benefits. So the 5% is actually on top of all the other Prime benefits that the regular Prime subscription gets. So that's how you can sign up. You just got to get to the right landing page. I left that link in the description down below. If you have a Prime account, this is the only landing page that I know of that you can actually switch from Prime to Student just by verifying. Otherwise, it seems to take you just to your Prime benefits. But I found this one in Amazon support. So hopefully it helps you get your student membership or Amazon Prime for young adults membership. And hopefully some of you get that free 6-month free trial as well. That's how you can switch, or that's how you can sign up for Amazon Prime Student, or in this case, or nowadays, Amazon Prime for young adults.